This is my Google Pixel 2 model Android smartphone. There is a problem. I forgot my phone password. I can't remember my previous password after trying it over and over again. So I want to unlock the phone and use it again. In today's video, I will show you how to use your phone again by hard resetting it if you forget your password. First, I need to turn off the phone, so I am turning off the phone by clicking the power button. I now have to press and hold the volume down button and the power button together. When this screen appears, release the power button and volume buttons. Now you have to go to the recovery mode option by clicking the volume down button or the up button. When the recovery mode option appears on the screen, click the power button. The phone will now restart and go into recovery mode. When the no comment option appears on the screen, hold down the power button and press the volume up button. In this mode, choose wipe data/factory reset by using volume keys to navigate and the power button to accept it. After that, select factory data reset from the menu and confirm it by pressing the power key. At the end, choose reboot system now by using the power button. Now you have to wait for a while for the phone to reboot and turn on. Unlocking the phone via factory reset is complete. Now connect to Wi-Fi and set up the phone. If while doing that it asks to log in with previous password or PERB or Gmail ID, then to bypass it you can watch Google Pixel 2 FRP bypass tutorial video on our channel. Check the pinned comment or description of this video to bypass Google factory reset protection. Stay tuned by subscribing to our channel to see more new videos like this.